Look at what has finally arrived. My brand new S22 in a box. And I just want to show you this because I just want to show you when I ordered it on the 25th of February, right? And then there was a delay on the 10th of March, another delay on the 13th of March. And then this Friday I was told that I could collect it soon to a box. Okay, so just remember the 25th of February, and it is today the 27th of March. Blimey. Yeah, that's taken so much, but luckily I'm only a phone reviewer, so you know, new tech is of no importance to me. Also, let me just pop the weasel. What does pop the weasel mean, actually? Could some American or English-speaking person tell me that? Mr. Hawkins, the drummer of the Foo Fighters, has taken his OD apparently. So, well, that's not good, because he was making a big effort of talking about how he was not doing that. That's sad news. Such a giant box for such a little device. It's like it's just fit into the ceiling of the enormous box itself and glued onto the. That's not very nice packaging, we must say. If they were to glue it, why didn't they glue the backside of the phone? This is not so nice. Ow, oh, and it's super sticky also. This is actually very bad. That's points down, Samsung, or, the L Gigant. That's a big electronics and kitchenware appliances store here in Denmark. But the final thing I just wanted to talk to you about this phone before I unbox it is this what you get? Is this some sort of chemical warfare trick from not our allies? I'm not gonna go there. But what I want to talk to you about is that I actually got this for the equivalent of $700, and that is super cheap in Denmark, because in Denmark it retails for $1,000. So $700 for the S22 on an opening sale on the new L Giganten here in the town where I live in Denmark. That's brilliant. So, well, I think it's come off pretty okay, isn't it? Now it's pretty decent. So let's do this. It's gonna be sort of a lo-fi unboxing, because I'm holding it in one hand at the same time when unboxing with the other hand. Just see if you can see that. Can you see that? Yeah. But if you see that, probably I can't cut. I'll try to do that anyways. I think we're in. And now I can reveal to you the color. Could you take a guess just from the cover? Yeah, it's the green color. And actually I was gonna make a video about this, but that may also go to the I vasken, as you would say in English, to the dishes, because I actually got cheated. Let me just see what else you got in the box. By a girl. I wanted to make a comparison of the Samsung Galaxy S6s in the green color, because I think this is the most beautiful color of green that Samsung has produced since that S6 Edge. But unfortunately, the girl I bought that one from used, she just kept the money and didn't send the phone. I suspect the phone was never in her hands, but I saw pictures of it, so well, I don't know. We can get cheated, every one of us, right? Let's just quick have a look at what's in the box. And you of course have the USB-C to USB-C, quick start guide, Samsung leaflets in various languages, quick start guide, plug in and file them, as Horny Carter would have said. Fuzzy Carter, sorry for that. But let's do the final honest of this phone, and that is just to peel it. Oh. And I'm so happy that I really got it now after just 1 week. Are you ready for this? Okay, listen. By the way, I just noticed something. There's some small iconography on this. No SIM ejector tool or what? I don't know what it says. I don't understand what's there. And then of course you always have those, and those are just, you really gotta peel that right away. I know if you've got a new phone, you're like, should I, would I, could I? But you should. Let's just have a look at the camera lenses just to see if they're perfectly fine or it's a return. Refund case. It is definitely not going to be a return refund case because it's taken over a month for me to get this phone. And just imagine how annoying that is for a phone reviewer. So such a long time to actually get your phone. That's just super annoying. But let's do the last peel. And for 1 month I've had this nude casing to a clear case to put onto my phone, just lying around because that was delivered at time. So let's see how well it fits, but just have a look at the color first, okay? Let's just compare it with another. This is the OnePlus Nord 2 in this, like, I would say, call it baby blue color. So this now it becomes very dark green, right? It's only pretty red, it's got some reflection to it, and then this is the Moto H20. It's also this, what do you call it, translucent, or what do you call it? I don't know the English words for those kind of things, but there you go. I still think this is like, because it has this kind of, you know, stealthy, it is just an amazing color in my opinion. Let's just boot it up right away. Power on, off, and as always with Samsung, you got all these kind of super annoying stickers you gotta peel off here on the sides. Volume up, down. Let's just have a listen. On the other side, nothing. On the bottom, SIM card tray, pinhole, mic, USB-C, speaker, and you got on the top another speaker. There. Another triple camera setup. That's about it. Let's just see if this could turn on just for the final impressions of this phone. And just see how it fits into this cover. Of course, they always get some molds to use for their cover designs before. Oh, it gets like kind of a squarish, like tiny squares. Texture with this cover on, but still very good. And now it's like any other Android phone from Samsung, even the A03s. Looks like that when you boot it up first. Thanks for watching. My name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and I'll see you in the next one.